How I give tomatoes to my parrots.
Baby, come. Baby. Hello. Hi. Here's a treat. Here.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are tomatoes safe for parrots? Yes. Tomatoes are safe for parrots, but it should only be given in moderation. Tomatoes are highly acidic and can cause ulcer or stomach upset when fed on a regular basis. While the tomato flesh itself is generally safe for parrots, its vines and leaves are highly toxic and should be kept away from your pet at all costs. Fresh tomatoes are not actually toxic to birds. Many vets recommend not feeding them because they are acidic and can irritate a bird's digestive system. You can give tomatoes to your parrot as a treat. My parrots only like tomato seeds. I gave them tomatoes only once in a week. Fruit and vegetables. All fresh fruit and vegetables are generally safe for parrot consumption, but the favorite ones we have found are carrot, beetroot, peas, sweet corn, apple, banana, grapes, orange, papaya, and pomegranates. My quaker parrots nearly like all fruits and vegetables. Pet bird owners should feed their birds a variety of fruits and vegetables every day. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.